Oppo Pad 3 Pro has just been launched. It comes with a stunning 3K resolution display, 8 powerful speakers, a Snapdragon flagship processor, fast charging, and much more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. Let's get started. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here's the box of the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. First, we'll cut the plastic wrap and open the lid. Inside, the first thing you see is the large tablet itself. As for the box contents, you get a user manual, a 67-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, a data cable, and that's everything you'll find in the box. There are very few tablets in the market that come with a flagship processor like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making this a performance-focused tablet. Let's jump straight into the performance test. First, we'll test the Star Iron game, a heavy game from China. The game runs at 840p resolution, which is higher than 750p, the standard for most phones. In the test setup, brightness is set to 200 nits. Room temperature is 25 degrees. The game runs at 840p resolution. Let's see how it performs. After playing the game for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 57.1 FPS, and power consumption reaches 9.1 watts. This is better compared to many other Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phones. Yes, there are some frame drops visible in the graph at times, but during long gaming sessions, there are no major issues. Since this is a tablet with a larger body, it has a bigger heat dissipation system, which helps manage the heat effectively. During gaming, the front temperature reaches up to 40.3 degrees Celsius, and the back temperature goes up to 41.3 degrees Celsius. The heat is mostly concentrated in the upper part of the tablet, so if you're gaming horizontally, you won't feel the heat in your hands. The gaming performance is truly flagship level. You can play Genshin Impact at 120 FPS with a resolution of up to 2.1K, even on high settings. In terms of performance, this tablet is next level. It also comes with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for even better speed and efficiency. Now let's talk about the display of the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. This tablet features a large 12.1-inch LCD display with a 3K resolution and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The maximum brightness reaches 592 nits, making it bright enough for most environments. You get 2 default color modes, natural and professional, both offering excellent color accuracy. It also supports the P3 color gamut, providing a wider range of colors. The default color temperature is 7800K, and the display also supports Dolby Vision for a better viewing experience. The tablet also offers a 540 Hz touch sampling rate. According to the company, you can play 45+ games at 144 Hz on this tablet. Overall, the display is outstanding. You can also watch Dolby Vision videos on it, delivering an awesome output. Additionally, the tablet comes with 8 speakers, providing a next-level movie-watching experience. However, there is one disappointing aspect to note. The Oppo Pad 3 Pro runs on ColorOS 14.1, which is based on Android 14, so you'll need to wait for Android 15. It has a 7:5 aspect ratio, which is great for reading and browsing. The 3K resolution ensures sharp and clear images. You can customize the refresh rate for each app with 4 levels of refresh rate options. If you're not worried about power consumption, you can keep apps at 144 Hz for the smoothest experience. Multitasking is excellent, and all apps can run in full screen mode, making the user experience seamless and enjoyable. Oppo has also launched an official keyboard case for the Oppo Pad 3 Pro, giving it a PC-like experience. The case has a split design, and the keyboard connects via magnetic contacts. If the magnetic connection is disconnected, it automatically switches to Bluetooth, so you can use it even from a distance or place the keyboard on your lap for comfortable typing. The keyboard features full-size keycaps, making typing more convenient and comfortable. The trackpad area is also quite large, making the overall experience silky smooth. On the right side of the trackpad, there's an NFC area. By touching your phone to it, you can transfer files directly, which is a very convenient feature. If you're gaming or watching movies, you don't need to attach the keyboard. You can freely use the tablet as is. Additionally, Oppo has launched the Oppo Pencil 2 Pro, which is a stylish accessory to go along with the tablet. The Oppo Pencil 2 Pro also has a built-in linear motor, providing great writing feedback, making it feel like you're writing on real paper. Now let's talk about the charging and battery life of the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. It comes with a massive 9510 mAh battery and supports 67-watt wired fast charging. In the charging test, it takes around 55 minutes to go from 0% to 100%, and within 30 minutes, it charges up to 65%, so the charging speed is quite fast for a tablet. With regular use, like watching movies and some light gaming, the battery lasts for 2 to 3 days easily. Even with heavy gaming, the fast charging support ensures the battery lasts for at least 1 day. This tablet has a 13-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and an 8-megapixel front camera with an ultra-wide angle. The rear camera can also shoot 4K videos, offering good camera quality for both photos and videos. The Oppo Pad 3 Pro weighs about 586 grams and is 6.49 millimeters thick. Its metal build ensures good durability. This tablet also comes with many AI features, which I'll go into more detail in the full review video. As for the price, the base variant with 8GB RAM and 256 storage starts at 399 Chinese yuan in China, 364 pounds in the UK, and $456 in the USA. The highest variant of the Oppo Pad 3 Pro comes with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, priced at around 500 pounds. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful tablet, you can definitely consider the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. There are very few tablets in the market running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The Oppo Pad 3 Pro offers a great user experience and is relatively slimmer. If you're into gaming, this is one of the best tablets you can get. So, what do you think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Anywhere you go, give it